Hi there everyone, hope you're all well. Today I'm going to share with you a recipe for homemade brandy butter, and it just isn't Christmas without it. Here in Ireland you can't have Christmas pudding or mince pies without a big dollop of brandy butter. Let's get started. There's only 3 ingredients in brandy butter, so it's really easy. We're starting with softened butter, place it in a bowl and mix it with a hand mixer until light and creamy. Now we can start adding the icing sugar or powdered sugar, and I find it much easier to add half of it and mix it in and then add the remaining icing sugar and mix one more time. The really great thing about brandy butter, besides how it tastes, is that it can be made in advance and it keeps really well covered in the fridge for about 2 to 3 weeks. You can also freeze it, which is fantastic. That looks great, and now we can start adding the brandy. I'm using Hennessy Irish brandy, only the best, but you can use any brandy you like. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons first, and when it's mixed in I'll do a taste test. It's better to add the brandy a little at a time and then add more if you want it stronger. Give the mixture a good mix so the brandy is well combined. Alright, let's try it now. This needs a little more, so I'm going to add another tablespoon. Brandy butter is usually served with hot desserts. I use it as an alternative to cream, ice cream and custard. That's perfect, just how I like it. Scrape down the sides of the bowl and mix one last time just to make sure you get all the icing sugar mixed in. This recipe makes 370 grams and that's about 1 cup of brandy butter. Now let's get this into a jar. I use an ice cream scoop because I find it so much easier. If you've never had brandy butter before, why not give it a go this festive season? You can see how easy it is to make, and it's only 3 ingredients. This is a big hit here, so I really hope you like it too. I have lots of lovely Christmas recipes coming over the next few weeks, including these gorgeous homemade mince pies. They are to die for. You can't beat them. So make sure to subscribe or follow my page so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching. Happy baking everyone. Enjoy!